What if I told you that the very first drink you take each morning could quietly decide how much energy, confidence, and vitality you carry with you for the rest of the day? Most men over 60 believe that their mornings are already set in stone, that fatigue, weakness, or fading drive are simply part of aging. But here is the truth I have seen over and over again in my office. A small change in what you drink at sunrise can spark powerful shifts in how your body performs. Imagine starting your day not with another crash of caffeine, but with a simple natural upgrade that steadies your energy fuels, your circulation, and even supports the hormones that keep you feeling like yourself. You do not need exotic supplements or expensive prescriptions. The answer may be sitting right in your own kitchen, waiting to be stirred into your morning glass. If you are curious to discover how one drink can restore what you thought was lost, type the number 1 in the comments right now. Right. I'm Dr. Laura Bennett, a urologist, who has spent more than 15 years listening to the quiet frustrations of men just like you. Day after day, men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s sit across from me and tell me the same story. They say, "Doctor, my mornings are not what they used to be. The spark is gone. I used to wake up ready to take on the world, but now I feel drained before the day has even begun." These men often look embarrassed, sometimes even defeated, because they assume it is only happening to them. The reality is that it is happening everywhere, and far earlier than most expect. By age 60, testosterone levels have already declined by nearly 30% compared to youth, and that steady drop creates a ripple effect across the entire body. Blood vessels stiffen, circulation slows, and energy fades. What makes matters worse is that many men turn to the same quick fix every morning. A heavy dose of coffee, believing caffeine alone can restore what has been lost. But caffeine only jolts your nervous system, spikes your heart rate, and then abandons you when the crash arrives. It never reaches the root problem. As a physician, I can tell you that relying on more caffeine is like patching a leaking roof with paper. It will not hold. What you truly need is a simple, natural way to support your circulation and hormone balance right from the first sip of the day. That is what I want to show you in this video. And before we move on, I want to hear from you. If you have ever felt that your mornings are not as powerful as they once were, type the number 2 in the comments. If you believe your mornings are still strong, hit the like button so I know. Let's talk about the mistakes most men make without even realizing it. For decades, we have been taught that coffee is the answer to everything. Feeling tired? Drink another cup. Need focus? Pour a stronger brew. Men over 60 often lean on this habit even harder, chasing the same sharp edge they used to feel in their 20s. But here's the painful truth. Coffee on its own is not restoring your energy, it is draining it. I have seen men gulp down 3 or 4 cups before lunch, hoping to spark motivation, only to feel more exhausted than when they began. One of my patients, a 62-year-old retired engineer, came to me after years of this cycle. He told me he started each morning with 2 large mugs, sometimes more, but by 10 o'clock, he was yawning at his desk, too tired to finish simple tasks and too irritable to connect with his wife. He assumed he simply needed stronger coffee, when in reality, his blood vessels and hormones were quietly failing him. Caffeine pushed his heart, but it never repaired the system. This is a mistake countless men are making. The crash that follows leaves you weaker than before. Your testosterone continues to slide, and your circulation pays the price. The result is mornings filled with brain fog, afternoons spent fighting drowsiness, and nights where intimacy feels impossible. These patterns slowly eat away at confidence, relationships, and health. It is not just about fatigue. It is about missing out on the strength and joy you deserve. I want you to pause and ask yourself, honestly, have you ever felt that desperate slump after too much coffee? If your answer is yes, type the number 3 in the comments. If you believe your routine coffee never lets you down, then press like so I can see your view. Either way, facing this mistake is the first step toward turning mornings back into a source of power instead of frustration. Think of your body like a house with pipes running through every wall. When those pipes are clean and flexible, water flows easily to every room. But when sugar builds up like sticky syrup, when the lining of the pipes hardens, or when pressure drops, the water barely trickles. That is exactly what happens inside the male body as the years pass. Testosterone levels decline, blood vessels lose elasticity, and blood sugar begins to damage the delicate inner lining of the arteries. Caffeine, for all its punch, is nothing more than a temporary surge of pressure. It jolts the nervous system, pushes the heart to pump harder, and makes you feel alive for a short burst. But once the stimulant fades, the underlying system is just as clogged and underpowered as before. Scientific studies confirm this reality. Research has shown that by age 60, nitric oxide production, the chemical signal that tells your arteries to expand, drops by nearly half compared to youth. Without nitric oxide, even the strongest heartbeat cannot deliver blood where it matters. That is why so many men complain of weak circulation fatigue and loss of confidence. A report in the Journal of Urology noted that vascular health, not just hormone decline, is the most important predictor of male performance after 60. This is why simply drinking more coffee or reaching for another pill cannot solve the problem. The root cause lies in restoring flexibility to those blood vessels and protecting the hormone balance that keeps the system running. When circulation is supported, energy lasts longer. When testosterone has the raw materials, it needs desire and vitality return. And when blood sugar is controlled, the pipes stay clear instead of becoming clogged with debris. The good news is that natural ingredients like cinnamon, cocoa, and ginger have been shown to activate the very same pathways as expensive prescriptions, but in a gentler, sustainable way. They reduce oxidative stress, trigger vasodilation, and fuel hormone production right at the source. This is not theory. It is biology, backed by decades of research. Now let me ask you, does the pipe analogy make sense to you? If it does, type the number 4 in the comments. If you think I need a better comparison, hit the like button and let me know. Either way, understanding this science is the foundation for building back your mornings and reclaiming the vitality you thought was gone. So let me show you the first short-term step that any man can take starting tomorrow morning. Instead of pouring another plain cup of coffee, I ask my patients to begin their day with a simple upgrade that is inexpensive, natural, and surprisingly effective. Take a glass of warm water, squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon for vitamin C, and then add just a 1/4 teaspoon of true Ceylon cinnamon. Stir it gently and drink it before your first coffee. This tiny habit has an outsized effect. The lemon primes your digestion, hydrates your system after hours of sleep, and provides antioxidants that protect blood vessels. The cinnamon works quickly to stabilize blood sugar, preventing the morning spike and crash that sabotage energy. It also sends a signal to your arteries to relax and open up, which improves blood flow before you even sip caffeine. I had one patient, a 59-year-old accountant, who was skeptical, but agreed to try it for 2 weeks. He came back and told me he no longer felt the heavy mid-morning fog that used to force him into an early nap. Instead, he described a steady focus that carried him through lunch and even noticed he felt calmer and more connected when talking with his wife. This is the power of a short-term fix. It does not require overhauling your entire diet or lifestyle, just a simple glass that sets the tone for the day. You can still enjoy your coffee afterward, but now your body is primed to use it more efficiently instead of crashing. And you can do this with ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now. I encourage you to try this tomorrow and keep track of how you feel for at least a week. Then come back and share your experience. Did your mornings feel steadier? Did you notice fewer energy crashes if you are ready to commit to this small test type, the number 5 in the comments? If you think it sounds too simple to matter, hit the like button instead. Either way, starting with this one step proves that change is possible, and it gives you a foundation to build on when we talk about the long-term system that truly transforms your vitality. Short-term fixes are powerful because they give you proof that change is possible. But lasting transformation requires a broader system. Over my years of practice, I have found that there are 3 main pillars every man over 60 must strengthen if he wants to restore energy, testosterone, and confidence in a way that lasts. The first is nutrition, and it begins with what you put in your cup each morning. Once you have tried cinnamon and lemon water, the next step is to slowly add other natural boosters to your coffee. Cocoa powder rich in flavonoids tells your arteries to open wider and supports nitric oxide production. Maca root, a traditional plant from the Andes, communicates directly with your hormonal control center, helping your body balance testosterone and desire naturally. Coconut oil, or its refined form MCT oil, provides the healthy fats your body needs to manufacture hormones while delivering smooth energy all morning. Finally, ginger protects your testicles from oxidative stress, boosts testosterone, and sharpens circulation. When these additions are layered week by week, they act like gears in a machine working together instead of separately. The second pillar is movement. You do not need a punishing workout routine to see results. In fact, I often recommend a simple 20-minute morning walk combined with a few gentle stretches. Movement increases circulation, lowers insulin resistance, and primes your muscles to absorb nutrients. Over time, even light activity can raise testosterone and improve mood. The third pillar is recovery, especially sleep. Without deep restorative sleep, your body cannot regulate hormones or repair blood vessels. I tell my patients to treat sleep like medicine, not an afterthought. A cool, dark room and a consistent bedtime can make the difference between sluggish mornings and vibrant ones. When you bring these pillars together, the effect multiplies. I remember a 65-year-old patient named Robert who felt old beyond his years. He started with cinnamon in his coffee-added cocoa and coconut oil by the second month, began walking each morning, and set a strict bedtime. At first, the changes seemed small, but after 30 days, he felt more focused, more energetic, and noticed that his confidence with his wife had returned. After 3 months, he looked me in the eye and said, "Doctor, I feel like I bought back 10 years. That is the power of a system instead of scattered fixes. If you are ready to think long-term, ask yourself this: which of these 3 pillars do you need to strengthen? First, nutrition, movement, or sleep? Type the number 6 in the comments with your choice. If you feel that you already have all 3 under control, then hit the like button to let me know. Either way, by committing to these pillars, you give yourself a roadmap not just for surviving after 60, but for thriving with energy and resilience. So let's bring everything together. What you choose to drink each morning, how you move your body, and the way you allow yourself to rest at night all add up to a bigger story than you may realize. Decline is not destiny. I have seen too many men believe that fatigue, low desire, or fading confidence are inevitable, when in fact the body still has enormous potential waiting to be unlocked. By starting with one simple change, a glass of lemon water with cinnamon or an upgraded cup of coffee, you prove to yourself that progress is possible. Then by adding natural boosters, moving your body daily, and protecting your sleep, you build a system that does more than patch the surface. It rebuilds your foundation. My challenge to you is simple: commit to 30 days. Try the short-term step tomorrow morning, track how you feel, and slowly layer in the other pillars. You will be surprised by the difference not just in your energy, but in your confidence, focus, and relationships. If you are ready to take on this challenge, type the number 7 in the comments right now. If you feel that you are not ready, yet press like so I know where you stand. And remember, this channel is here to support you every step of the way. Subscribe so you never miss the next lesson, and share your journey so we can encourage one another. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your physician for guidance specific to your health. Together we can prove that after 60, vitality is not only possible, it can become your new normal.